In this video, I'll show you how to set up Zoho CRM. Start by signing into your Zoho CRM account. The first time you log in, complete your company profile by entering your business name, industry, and other basic information. Next, go to Setup by clicking the gear icon in the top right corner. Review your organization settings and configure your business details, users, and security preferences. After that, customize your CRM modules if needed. You can manage modules like leads, contacts, accounts, and deals to match your sales process. Now import your existing customer data by going to the appropriate module and selecting Import. Upload your file and map the fields before completing the import. Next, configure your sales pipeline, create users, and assign roles and permissions for your team. Finally, create a test lead or contact to make sure your CRM is set up correctly and ready for daily use. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Zoho CRM. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.